Hello friends! Today, I'll show you how to create and set up a football squares game using Google Sheets. This spreadsheet will help you easily organize the game, distribute squares, track results, and determine winners. Let's go through all the steps in order. Game settings and pot status. First, you need to configure the basic game parameters. Square cost. Choose how much one square costs. For example, 1, 2, 3, or 5. Currency. Select the currency you'll use for the game: dollar, euro, pound, or virtual coins. Reverse winner. If you want to add more excitement, check the box to play with a reverse winner. This means the winner will be determined not only by the main score, but also by its mirror reflection. In the players column, enter the names or nicknames of the participants. The maximum number of players is 100. For example, Mo, Selma, Apu, Barney, Abe. Entering team names. Specify the names of the teams playing. Enter Team 1 name. For example, Los Angeles Chargers. Enter Team 2 name. For example, Las Vegas Raiders. Reserving squares. Each player selects squares on a 10 by 10 grid. You can manually select squares. Simply choose the player's name or nickname from the drop-down list in the corresponding square. Automatic distribution. Click the Randomize Squares button to distribute squares evenly among players. If the number of players doesn't divide evenly into 100, some squares will remain empty. In the player table, you'll see squares selected, how many squares the player has chosen. O's, how much money the player needs to pay for their squares. Paid, a field to mark whether the player has paid. Select yes or no. Note, a field for notes. Entering numbers from 0 to 9. This action can be performed both before and after reserving squares. It depends on how you agree with the players before the game starts. Numbers from 0 to 9 need to be placed horizontally and vertically on the game grid. You can enter numbers manually. Use the autofill feature. Click the Randomize Numbers button to distribute the numbers randomly. Clear numbers. Use the Clear Numbers, Clear Squares, or Clear All buttons to remove numbers, squares, or the entire field. Distributing the prize pool. Once all squares are reserved, set the winning percentages. Choose the percentage for each winner. In the Game Settings and Pot Status section, you'll see how much money is left to distribute. Reverse winner. If you're playing with a reverse winner, specify their percentage. You can leave some funds in the pot for charity or other purposes. Entering game results. After each quarter, enter the score in the corresponding cells. For example, first quarter, 3-2, second quarter, 12-14, third quarter, 15-20, final, 17-24. The winner's square is determined by the last digit of the score. For example, if the score is 12-14, the winner will be at the intersection of 2 and 4. The reverse winner will be at the intersection of 4 and 2. After the game ends, in the tournament results section, you'll see winners' names, winning amounts, total pot, and remaining funds. This spreadsheet is the perfect tool for organizing a football squares game. It automates all processes, so all you have to do is enjoy the game.